KSA visits the Latmarling Revenue Forest to take stock of land encroachment. Good morning and welcome to KIRBY Live Morning News. I am Jirbon Kilingpi with the latest news for this morning. And now the news in detail. After news of illegal land encroachment within the Latmarling Revenue Forest came into social media, the Forest Department personnel along with the local KSA of Chinthong constituency made a visit to get a ground report on the issue. It was alleged that several families from the nearby Jaintia hills of Meghalaya had built houses inside KIRBY on the upper Chinthong area. During the visit, it was seen that the Khasis settled in the area had cleared vast area of forest and had been using for farming of ginger and other crops. The visiting also discovered numerous numbers of trees which have been felled in the past. Luckily, they also met the Khasi families who were living in the area. While talking to a reporter, they confirmed of living there for more than 16 to 25 years. There are a total of 9 families living there and they have pata for the land they are living in. The Khasi villagers also have voter ID cards of Assam because a local headman of Umnem Bay village told them that only after having it they will be permitted to live in Assam. Khasi villagers say that it is impossible for them to leave the place till they are alive.
Alah, kini ID kan dong bisa don ID sini. Don ID. Bangan sedang malah lompat selama itu teman. Kanangun don ID sini.
Don ID tahun ini ni don tang. Try ya try don ID midi petang.
Midi petang. Te pi dayo arpi kamu we have one have lay fish of fish for us the your pig
Following this, the KSA blamed the KAC for their failure to implement developmental work in border areas, due to which matter got more complicated as years pass on. Further, the students' organization stated that KAC's failure, more and more forest areas are vanishing at a rapid pace and land being encroached and timber smuggled out from the district. The forest officials of Umjakini Forest Range told KIRBY Live that they do not have enough forces with them. There is also no provision of vehicles with them to cover long distances during patrol. Following this, the KSA urged upon the KAC to take immediate steps to upgrade position of the local forest range so that they can perform duty more smoothly. Hemari Rongpar's report from Ulukunchi for KIRBY Live. Months are being selected. The members of the KIRBY Development Council were sworn in on Saturday. Here is a short report from our Sonapur correspondent. Along with the new chairman Ranjit Rahang of Khanapara and vice chairman Dilip Taro of Guwahati, altogether 32 members of the KIRBY Development Council took oath of office during the day. The event was held in the conference of the WPT and BC Department's conference hall in Rukmini Nagar, Guwahati. List of new members to the council were released on February 26. However, owing to several reasons, the oath-taking program was delayed. Earlier on June 14, the Joint Secretary to the Govt of Assam for the Welfare of Plains Tribe and Backward Classes Department instructed the Director to initiate process of oath-taking for the development councils across the state, with KIRBY Development Council being among them. It may be mentioned that KIRBY Development Council was established for the welfare of Kirbys living outside the hill districts KIRBY Anglong, West KIRBY Anglong and Dima Hasao. It comprises of Kirbys from different plain districts of Assam. Nituraj Ronghang's report from Sonapur for KIRBY Live. The dispute over tea estate land got more intense as Ompu Intipi, wife of the owner and beneficiary of the land, has expressed disappointment over the verdict given by the KIRBY Autonomous Council. This was expressed during a press conference convened today at her home. While speaking to local media, Ompu Intipi said that the decision given by the KAC is not acceptable. She told that 5 years back, tea garden workers were attacked by unidentified miscreants, and in the latest incident, she alleged that 2 youths, Starson Tiso and Jirjaring Tikathar, were beaten up by KSA President Simeon Rongpar and his members. Further, she severely criticized KSA General Secretary Thomson Rongpi, alleging that he called her a dalal. The landowner said that she was forced to take the name of the organization because Simeon Rongpar, Laicha Ningling, Violet Bepi and their members were all present. She further questioned the KIRBY Anglong Autonomous Council as to how it has allotted the land to a person from Nagaland who has no documents that can be considered as a legitimate claimant to the land.
Nagape na lam ki gedo po bangela ke hok lo jet 2016 to November 29 ar ni si lake Donesor inti Joint Secretary Revenue jas ki to bo mo si lake nang thak dak lo amasi neli je secretary da pulo je lake banga higher authority pen bangke thegi ding alam lo ni la bangke nang li da thak objection ta lake nang li da pin edet po la secretary ding alam arju nang kok pu si neli phanang ki po join ne si neli bangke kroi do nang kok lo neli hin pa na bangke neli ke chidon non de je lake neli men lake neli se owner neli long de neli phelang binong la si neli bangke pele phan bangke neli hin pa bangke piek the pusi neli di man Thompson rongpi om puing tipi ke dalar pusi neli phanang ki pu sitame neli ladak dalar kali neli long de neli phelang neli owners lahorian nirmol kumar tea state la ke neli long de lo la si neli ke neli methanga kam si ke chiklem neli ke dalar kali pele long ne thanga milamili ne thang tawe ne kachingki ne thang tawe je ne national highway tangka ta ne long onde lang ne high court pen ne dadak stay order ne li chewan de tanta council sor illegal pen si la phan payment pide ne li phan la anak ki oi nai la anak ki chine anta KSA atum la Simeon aro je Thompson rongpi puneli pandalar punang ki pu bangke neli ta neli ning oi la so bangke neli long ajat loi neli long neli phanang than vek nai la so la ma bangke la si neli pandalar punang ki pu ajoi ne ke kopi si neli dalar ke chuklem ma la so approve promana bangke neli phanang pi vek nai neli phanang paklang kai vek nang ji.
She urged upon the KIRBY Students Association and KIRBY Anglong Women Justice Forum to step forward and state their grievance through talks and meetings.
La hello longle encroachment longle aputhak la so nilitum non pele kheje pen nilitum ko ana bosor ne nilitum kes kechida pining non ningkan great rock suli bom lo ningkan great rock suli bom pen 2016 jasmine pf pen si non nili long lelo pusi nili kechi dam lo nili kechi do ghor lo non kam chiklem pom ma husi je non bangke nili tum kote keitaman organization tum dak nili long na kechi rabdun do lo nili long na kechi rabdun ke do ajoine si lasi nili tum ko ano ne hada kam iklem che paduk dam kechi paduk lo la non nili long na kechi rabdun afrang pen je KSA Simeon aro latum ta neli long ko ano ne latum ta kam nang klem lo nang che paduk dun lo sitami non ke neli chini no je non ke buche latum pan chini dak lo neli huktu rason si latum ke man det lo je la an je latum long le enforcement ji la an je nang padiktar dun ji uke neli chini ne Simeon akiase puki pudama bangke je Thompson rongpi lai chaning leng latum doko ka joine si nelia bangke Simeon akiase aro pa bangke neli pudam nang kok lo lasi Thompson na phansita neli chuning rig lo lai chan na phansita neli chuning rig lo je neli nu na hemepi nelu ninu da kar bipi neli pining pen ningkan kret rock si neli kes cheda net lo neli long la sona pa di stap dunjia bangke neli ke kroi kre la si aprang ko son si nang chirap dunji ma la son si non bang nang chirap dunang po la son ang hutur along bangke son aning bangke adang tum kedoke hinu la si non nili long si nang chirap dunang po ili tum klem rap betji fansi nili chuning rig lo la tum banta.
News Desk report with Bikram Pro for KIRBY Anglong Live. That is all we have for today. Thank you for watching KIRBY Anglong Live and stay safe.